You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this Danish model, known for her appearances in the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue and alongside Chrissy Teigen and Lily Aldridge, appeared in the 50th anniversary cover in 2014. Instagram is popular too. Danish, Nina Agdal, Nina Agdal, Nina Agdal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.